Shh. 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 Hey, shh. I have a secret. I've been keeping it for a while now because I've been working hard on it behind the scenes. But I have something brand new to offer you, and it's got a lot of secrets involved. It's called the Makeup Diaries. It's a group that I create for you and your friends. When you add your friends to the group, I'm going to share with you all of my best tips, tricks, tutorials, and secrets for makeup and skincare application. You don't want to miss out on this. Not only is it going to be girl talk and secrets, but you're going to get free makeup too. What could be better than that? Make sure you comment below me if you want to be one of my hostesses for the Makeup Diaries. I'm taking names now. The list is going to get long, so you want to make sure that you get your name on it first so you can get all of those secrets and the free makeup. Shh. We got a lot of secrets to keep.